Thinking of starting your own RIA, but don't have millions under management? You still can. Here's how. Step 1. Pick the right registration path. With less than $100 million in AUM, you'll likely register with your state, not the SEC. Check your state's rules. Step 2. Keep startup costs lean. Use affordable compliance software, custodians with no minimums, and consider virtual office setups to reduce overhead. Step 3. Niche down. Focus on a specific group, like tech employees, solo business owners, or young families. Specialization builds trust and referrals faster. Step 4. Offer fee models beyond AUM. Think flat fees, hourly planning, or subscription services, ideal for clients who don't yet have large portfolios. Step 5. Build visibility. Use social media, webinars, and content marketing to show your expertise and attract your ideal clients. And remember, you don't need big assets to build a big impact. Just start smart and stay consistent.